So here I'm taking a look at a neck massager, and this isn't one of those massagers. This is an electrode massager, so it's kind of more like a TENS unit. It's going to use these electrodes to massage you, so it's essentially using your own muscles to massage themselves. It comes with a remote, so you can see we've got intensity down, intensity up, heat, and mode. And as for the modes, it says knocking, acupuncture, and massage. So I'm going to be focusing mostly on massage. Charging cable, which plugs in right here. And then you press this for 2 seconds to turn it on and off. Alright, so I'm going to put this guy on. And you want to get it where you want it to be, because you don't want to be moving it around after it's already started. Press the button. Okay, it's on. Okay, so I hit plus to get it started. So this must be the massage. And I can definitely feel it. It's kind of like a tingling. All right, so this is the pulsing. So it's kind of going just like pop, 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 pop. So this is mostly just annoying. Yeah, the massage is definitely a lot nicer. So it's like slowly building to a peak, and then it just drops off. Let's try the next mode. So this is doing something a little bit similar to the last one. It's kind of like a pop, 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 but then it builds up. So it almost feels like tingling in such a way, kind of like an ASMR, like a good ASMR might feel. I just put the heat on. So right now I adjust the heat by itself, and it feels warm. It doesn't feel like hot or uncomfortable like a stove or anything like that. It feels more like a like if you were to have microwaved one of those hot packs. My girlfriend's laughing at me right now.
Your face just looks sweet. How is this landscaping outside?
No, that's landscaping outside. This thing's very aggressive. All right, so now I'm going to turn it off. All right. It definitely feels a lot nicer. Like I feel like I went through a massage, a decent massage. And I think that if I just put it on a different part of my neck, I can get a different experience too. So now I'm going to try it a little bit lower. I definitely feel a lot more lower. It's more like, I mean, it's right where I put it, but it feels like it's more involving the shoulders, which is more what I need. Oh yeah, that feels really good. Oh.
I'm making those kind of noises.
No, I could get used to this. Okay, so yeah, I approve. This thing's pretty awesome.